Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. In this video I will show you how to use the latest feature of the Kraken Auto Post Editor plugin to edit posts and include also values of custom post taxonomies and custom post meta into the post content or everyone else you wish. So let me show you how to use this. I will use the CPT UI custom plugin to create a new custom taxonomy. So let's click here and let's enter a new slug. Let's use this slug category, categories, custom categories, custom category, and assign it to posts and add taxonomy. Now we can go ahead and add a new post. Let's write a testing. Okay. And here we should have in the sidebar the new custom categories section where we can add some new custom categories. Now we can hit publish, and let's say I want to add the values of these custom categories into the content of the post. So let me show you how to do this. Let's go into Kraken settings, and here let's scroll down and search for post content settings field. Here you should have already the post content shortcode and enter the new line. This is HTML for new lines, so this will be replaced with a new line. Let's enter 2 new lines, and afterwards let's write custom category, and to include the custom taxonomy you can use the new shortcode that was implemented, this one. But note that your text slug should be replaced with the taxonomy slug that you wish to use. So how to get this? The easiest way to get this is to go to posts or the custom post type that where you have your custom taxonomy assigned, and click here in the admin menu on it. So click it, and up here you will see taxonomy equals, and this is the slug of the custom taxonomy that you should use. So click the listing here in admin menu of the taxonomy you wish to use and search for this parameter taxonomy equals and copy its value. After you copied its value, paste it here, replace the your text slug with the value you copied from there, and all you have to do is simply save settings. And now you can go ahead and give it a try. So I will edit the post manually, so let's refresh this first. Now we can go ahead and click on the pencil icon from Kraken here on the top and run editing now. Okay, and it is finished. If we refresh the post, we will see the updated text. As you can see, custom category, blue, indigo, and red, as it was here. Okay, so now let me go ahead and show you how to use the custom post meta feature, because it is also similar to this. So let's go ahead and edit the same post. Let's remove the text that was added, and let's add a custom post taxonomy. So for example, is core. A custom post meta field. So let's add the meta field is core, and let's input a value for it. Yes, it is. Okay, so we have the is core custom meta field and the value yes it is. Now let's hit update, and now let's go back in plugin settings, and let's enter 2 more new lines here, and custom meta field, and we can enter here the same thing, a similar thing as before. So let's copy the meta shortcode and just replace this with the slug of the custom post method that you wish to use. In this case, it is isCore. So copy isCore, replace it here, and all you have to do is once again save settings. So this time we will have the content of the old post, custom category, the custom category will be listed, custom meta field, and the meta field will be listed, the isCore meta field will be listed from here. And now let's go ahead and edit the post, refresh the content to see what happened, and here it is. Custom category, the colors we imported from here, and custom meta field, yes, it is from here. So yeah, this is all for this tutorial and the new update for the Kraken plugin. I hope you will enjoy it, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to get more similar news, updates and features, and have a great day. Stay awesome. Bye bye.